Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hubert Davis. North Carolina has promoted longtime assistant Hubert Davis to replace Roy Williams as the Tar Heels' new head basketball coach, the school announced Monday. Davis has been an assistant coach under Williams for the past 9 seasons in Chapel Hill and was one of the favorites as soon as the job opened.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Davis, the nephew of former UNC player and NBA All-Star Walter Davis, played for Smith from 1988 to 92 and still holds the program record for career three-point percentage, .435. He was a first-round NBA draft pick by the New York Knicks and spent a dozen seasons in the league. 1 hour ago.
Take our lead.
Kenny said he was shocked to hear the news about Roy retiring. He even drove down from Richmond on Thursday to see him and attend his final press conference. What stuck out to him most was the reason why Roy was retiring: his belief that he's no longer the right man for the job.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.